Hello once again folks, yeah, it's an eBay unboxing video. I've not done one of these for a long time. So I've bought myself something off eBay, and I'm not going to tell you in the title what it is, so you'll just have to watch this to see what it is. But I've been scouring eBay for stuff, and somebody, I can't remember who it was now off the top of my head, but somebody said in the comments that I wouldn't get one of these for under about £42 or something. Well, this cost me £31 plus postage, of course, but £31 I got this for. So once we get into it, you'll see what it is. Let's bubble that. There you go. I can't remember if this is boxed. I think it is boxed. It's this. Careful not to cut the box. Oh, so much bubble wrap. Okay, it is a Hornby LNER Class J52 locomotive. Now this is not a non-runner, it was advertised as being in good working order. I was watching one of Barry Davis's videos recently, and he did a video about 060 locomotives, and that's kind of what inspired me to buy this, because I thought, yeah, I like 060s, I've not bought one for ages, so what's top of my 060 list, and it was the J52. So let's have a wee look at this. Hopefully it's all in one piece, it's in good condition. I don't think, no, that's just a card, so we don't have any maintenance guide. Let's see, there she is. Isn't that a pretty thing? Very nice little tank engine, I think, the J52. I think of the two, the LNER one is the nicest looking. I like all the red lining. I don't think the BR one has that, but nice little locomotive. Let's just take it out and see what's what. So all seems to be in good condition. I've just noticed this rail here is a wee bit broken there. So I think this has been broken off at some point. And we've got a little driver in the cab. Other than that, I think this is in pretty good nick. So like underneath. So this is made in Great Britain. So I'm guessing this has got a Type 7 motor in it. Yeah, I think so from looking at it. I'm not going to open this up. We'll do a separate video where we run this on the layout, see how it performs, and we'll open it up and give it a clean bit of lubrication. Because there's not much you can do with these little things when you've got the Type 7 motor other than a bit of lubrication and a bit of a clean. It'll be interesting to see how it runs with these traction tyres on these centre wheels. I'm aware that people have problems with those, so I may well end up taking them off, but we'll see. Let's just see if it goes, or have I been sold a lemon. Turn on the power, try and get it to go the right way. So it's not a non-runner, it's a working model. So I'm very pleased with that. It's a very nice little model of one of my favourite tank engines. So I'm looking forward to trying this out on the layout and getting a look inside and see what's going on, and see if there's any problems we need to resolve, and see what these traction tyres do. So we shall do that in a future video. Meantime, catch you later folks.